Welcome to release question number 10 for Cahsee Math. Number 10 says this: Freya makes 4 of her 5 free throws in a basketball game. What is her free throw shooting percentage? Alright, love basketball. Love me some basketball here. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this one. So this is the first way that comes to mind for me. 4 out of 5. Some of you may know what 1/5 is, and if you know what 1/5 is, then you're going to know what 4/5 is. But I'm going to say that that's the same thing as, I'm going to leave this blank for now and do some long division. So 4 divided by 5. What you're dividing by always goes on the outside. So 4 goes on the inside here. 4 is getting divided by 5. Does 5 actually go into 4 completely, fully? No. So you have to add a decimal. So you have to add a 0.0. You add the decimal there. You got to add the decimal here. And so 5 did not go into 4. I'm going to put a 0 up there. Does 5 go into 40? Yes, 5 goes into 40 8 times. If you subtract, 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract 40 from 40, and you've got your answer. So this is the same thing as 0.8. Now you say, you've got your answer, Mr. Wagner? How is that my answer? I don't see that matching up with anything over here. Remember, to convert from a decimal to a percent, you just have to move the decimal 2 spots. So we could have a 0 right there, effectively, and that becomes 80%. So this, I think, is the way that works very well for a lot of people. I'll show you another method over here in the kind of the gray area. So if you like this better, this will work for you too. So here's another method. You could actually, with percents, you can always write the fraction and say that it equals whatever you're looking for. X is going to represent the percent out of 100. If you think of the word percent, per, and then think of cents and a dollar, it literally means per 100. And so what do you have here? 4 out of 5 is the same as what out of 100? You can do your cross multiplication with something like this. If you remember doing cross multiplication, you've got 5x equals 400. You can divide both sides by 5, and you get x equals 80. So that's another way to do a problem like this. You get the same answer either way you do it.